Hey guys, today I am doing some mystery eBay unboxing videos. Oh, one video. Today I will be unboxing these packages from eBay. I know what's inside because I bought them. Let's see. Alright guys, let's get unboxing. Well, gotta rip this open. What's inside? What is inside? Oh, it's a Vengeance Night of Champions DVD from WWE, of course, to add to my collection. So my first package is a WWE Vengeance DVD, which I got. Next, I got another one. Let's see what's in here. It's really fun, guys. What is inside? Boy. I have to use my teeth on this one. I buy so many DVDs, so... Okay. eBay. That's where I buy a lot of my DVDs is on eBay. Oh. Comes with a little. They gave me a little. Gave me a little thing. Give me a little little note. I'll read that in a second. And this is Judgment Day, 2007. Gotta make sure the DVD's in there. Yeah, it's in here. So far, we've got Vengeance 2007 and Judgment Day. We're going to see what this little note says. Hello and thank you for your purchase. If there is any issue with this item, please contact me if you'd be so kind as to leave me a feedback. I'd be grateful. Have a great day. Have an awesome day. Thank you, Kelsey, it says. That's cool. Now, as for this one. Now, what could be inside this one? Boy, grabbing everything. Boy. This one's a bigger one. Oh, yeah. It's in this sealed bubble wrap. There's a lot of bubble wrap. To make sure that the DVD is safe. Oh, look at that. And it is. What a DVD can it be? It is the complete season of Survivor Palua. Yeah. Another Survivor DVD to add to my Survivor DVDs. I got 4 seasons so far. Survivor Borino, Palua, Africa, Australian. Yeah, so that was my unboxing. Did I show you the Palua again? Here you are once more. I haven't seen this season yet, and I'm really excited. Really excited for it. Yeah. Survivor Palua. I'm not sure what season it is. Oh, 10th season. Okay, 10th season of Survivor. Alright, guys. Got Judgment Day and Vengeance. And yeah, and a new Survivor season of Survivor. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you.